ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಲಿಕಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ.
Present sir.
Present sir. Present teacher.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
Hi everybody, how are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good in your houses. Hope children, you were waiting for the classes to start and you are tied up in your houses. Is it not? You feel very bored, but we don't leave you. See, we have come with the video classes. Please boost up yourself in your houses and be good and be safe in your houses. Okay? We shall start our session now. See, I welcome you all for this 9th standard readiness program. You are getting ready for your classes. Okay? See, what is this getting ready for? How much do you remember? How much do you remember of what? You remember of the 8th standard. Okay? How much you remember or whether you have forgotten? Let us see how much you remember. Okay, imagine that you have banana in your hands. Okay, what you have to do with the banana? Okay, we'll see. Peel banana. What you are doing? Peel banana. Peel banana. Okay, can you repeat in your houses wherever you are? Peel banana. Peel banana. Next, chop banana. What you are doing? Chop banana. Chop banana. Chop banana. Chop banana. Have you repeated in your houses? Okay, next, see, shake banana. What are you doing now? Shake banana. Shake banana. Shake banana. Now, drink banana. Drink banana. Drink banana. Drink banana. Drink banana. Have you repeated? Did you all do? Okay, now what we are going to do, see. See, we have done with peeling, chopping, and what else we did? Shaking, and we drank. What we drank? Banana shake. What else? We did banana shake. See children, what and all we listed down there? Peel, chop, shake and drink. Peel, chop, shake and drink. What are these? All these words are action words. Okay. Now children, before we go into a story, let me tell you one thing. What you have to do is, when you go through this story, you will find some words in red color. So, you have to make note of those words. Okay. You have to make note of those words. See, here is a story. Babu went to school. So, once there was a boy called who? Babu. Where he went? See, he was studying in 9th standard. He was studying in 9th standard. Then, the school was very far from his house. So, Babu used to walk many miles from his house. As he was walking, he saw a beautiful dancing peacock. What he saw? He saw a beautiful dancing peacock. Now, what happened next? He felt so happy. He clapped in joy. What he did? He clapped in joy. After that, what happened? Babu ran to his friends. So, Babu ran to his friends. What happened next? He ran as fast as he could, but he felt very tired. So, Babu sat under a tree. So, he sat under a tree. What did he do? We'll see. Washed his hands and started to eat his lunch. Okay. Then what happened? He suddenly heard the bell. Then he ran but reached the school late. When the teacher asked Babu to explain, what teacher asked to explain? How he reached the school? See, here he comes with a beautiful answer. Okay, are you all ready? Can you do what he did? What he is doing here? If you can, please do in your houses. Okay, children? And I have asked you to note down in your book what is seen in your red color, the words. Is it not? See to those words and these words next which comes, and please do the actions. Okay? Now, let's see how he came to school. How he came? He came jumping. So, jump. So, he came jumping. And what you can see? The monkeys. What they are doing? The monkeys are jumping. The monkeys are jumping. And next, how he came, Babu? See how he came? He came and sat under a tree. What did he do? He ate. He ate the lunch. Okay. And eat is action word here. So, and another picture what you can see here is the rabbits. What they are doing? The rabbits are eating the carrot. The rabbits are eating the carrot. Okay. Next, what Babu did? He ran. He ran to the school. So, Babu ran to the school. Here the action word is run. Okay. And see the boy here. What is he doing? The boy is running very fast. Is it not? He is running very fast. And what else Babu did? See here. Babu clapped. Babu clapped in joy. When he saw the peacock. Do you remember this? So, here the action word is clap. Okay. And next, see the picture there. What they are doing? The audience are clapping hands. The audience are clapping the hands. So, what else Babu did? See here. He walked. He walked for many miles. Is it not? So, he walked. Here the action word is walk. And what else he was doing? We'll see this after this. Okay. Here they are walking as a family. They are walking as a family. Okay. Now, see this also you saw. What did he do before eating? He washed the hands. Is it not? Did he wash? He washed the hands. So, here the action word is wash. Okay. Here you can see the picture. What is the picture is? My sister is washing her face. So, my sister is washing her face. So, all these words are verbs. All these words are verbs. Verbs are nothing but, see, describe actions and the moments. Okay, which describe the actions and the moments. And these verbs can be used in present and in past and in future. So, verbs can be used in present, past and in future. Okay, did you all understand? Okay, we will see how much did you understand. Okay, come now. We will see how much did you understand. I am dash hot water daily. Okay, next, Lata is dash a tree. Divya is dash in the kitchen. Are you writing down? Please make a note of that so that you can work out or you can write your answers. Suma dash the car. Surya is dash in the class. Okay. Now, the key points, key answers have been shown there. Cooking, drives, drinking, teaching and drawing. Okay children, please think the correct answer for those blanks. Okay. Have you got the answers? Can we check the answers now? Okay. Come on now. I am, what is the answer there? I am drinking hot water daily. Okay, I am drinking the hot water daily. Next one is, Lata is what? Lata is drawing a tree. Lata is drawing a tree. And Divya is dash. What is that answer? Divya is cooking in the kitchen. Divya is cooking in the kitchen. Suma dash. The answer is drives. Suma drives the car. And next is Surya is dash in the class. Surya is teaching in the class. Okay. I think you all have done with the answers. Is it not? Okay. Have you understood? See, now we'll move on to the next concept. Okay. Are you all ready? We will play fun with the riddles. Okay. We will play fun with the riddles. One thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to write down the clues. Whatever is you are going to listen, you have to write down the clues and even the answer, so that you can work out in your houses for other riddles. Okay. Okay. We will listen to that. Okay. You are listening to the first audio.
Your riddle time starts now. So let us go to the riddle. I have a neck but no head. Who am I? I repeat. I have a neck but no head. Who am I? The answer is bottle. Because we find only a neck in the bottle but no head.
Okay, you are listening to the second audio.
I have hands but I cannot clap. Who am I? I repeat. I have hands but I cannot clap. Who am I? Your time starts now. Yes, your guess is correct. I am a clock. Because a clock has hands to tell time in hour, minute and second. But a clock cannot clap with its hands like humans.
Now, you all understood what? Riddles. Okay. Now, what did I introduce? What did I introduce? I introduced what? Riddles. I did the activity of introducing riddles. So, introducing is a function. It is a function in the language. So, introducing myself, or you are introducing others, or introducing your friends, or introducing places, introducing objects, all these comes under introducing. This is a language function. Now, we will move on to different expressions. Why do we need expressions in a language? Children, you have to understand, when you are crying, you cannot laugh. When you cry, do you laugh? No. So, you need a particular expression for a particular context. So, expression makes a lot in a language. Okay, let us see the different expressions now. Okay, first one is here. See, what do you all do when the medicine is given by your mom? What do you all do? You say no to that. So, it is refusing. And here you like or dislike sometimes. See here, liking and disliking. And beware of the dog. So beware of the dog is a warning. So be careful if you go there. So it is a warning. Next one is explaining. What is this person doing here? Is explaining. Okay, we'll move on to next picture. See what is this? I'm so sorry. What is this person telling? I'm so sorry. So apologizing. He is confessing. I'm so sorry. He is telling that. Next we'll move on to next picture. See here what you can see is keep safe and wear a face mask. Keep safe and wear a face mask. Okay, what is this? This is advice, advising, suggestion, or it can be instruction, because you need to be very careful now with this, because you all need to wear mask when you go out. Okay. Now we go to different moods. Do you children remember, you all say when you are in bad mood, you say, hey, today I am not in a good mood. Don't test my patience. You all say no, today I am not in a good mood. Don't test my patience. Is it not? So there are different moods in language. Okay, we'll check what is that mood. See what is this? What the girl is doing here? Okay, now I will give 4 options. You have to choose correct option which suit the picture. Okay, see first one is I am crying, and the second one is I am so happy, and the third one is I am lonely, and the fourth one is I am thinking. Okay, now think which is the correct statement for this picture. Okay, I am crying. I am crying. Okay, and next we'll move on to another one. See what this girl doing? What is she doing? See, we'll see the options there. I am thinking. It is very tasty. I am angry. And I am tensed. So which will be the answer for this picture? Okay. Can we look for the answer now? See, I am thinking. I am thinking is the right answer. That girl is thinking something. Okay, we'll move on to next picture. Now, what is this person doing? See, we'll see for the options. I am crying. It is awesome. I am worried. I am joyful. Okay, which will be the answer for these children? I am worried. It is worried, tensed. It is worried. Okay. These are the different types of moods we see in a language. Even we can see some other else also. We can see 2 pictures here. The persons are here as 2 persons who are meeting each other. Okay. After a long time, when you meet also, you shake hand and you greet each other. Here is person called Nizam meeting Hemant. Okay. What they discuss, we'll see. Nizam, hi Hemant, will you join me to play cricket? So Nizam is inviting him. Now what Hemant says? Hemant, sorry Nizam, my mom told not to go out to play. My mom told not to go out to play. So now you should think what expression here the sentences display. Okay. Now here the expression of Hemant is, you can see the expressions of Hemant there. Sorry Nizam, my mom told not to go out to play. So these are the expressions of Hemant. Now you have to match the statement with these expressions. Okay. He is thanking, he is refusing, and what else he doing? He is complaining, he is liking. What he is doing, what the expression shows, is refusing. So yes, the sorry means he is not willing to go out, means he is not willing to go to play. Okay, he is refusing to go out. This is a expression in language function. We'll move on to next one. What is a teacher doing? Teacher is teaching something, and other person you can see the student. Okay, Now we will go for the conversation. Teacher, can you read the word written on the board Kushal? So the teacher is asking Kushal to read the word that is on the board. Okay. Now what the student Kushal is going to say, we will see for the reply. Ma'am, may I drink some water? I feel very thirsty. He is not reading, rather what he is telling, ma'am, may I drink some water? Because I am very thirsty. So here the expression of Kushal is, you have to find out, okay, seeking permission, disliking, apologizing, refusing. Okay, which will be the correct answer? What he is asking there? Ma'am, may I drink some water? May I drink some water? What is that expression shows? That shows he is seeking permission, means he is requesting ma'am to go out and drink something, or he wanted to drink water. He is seeking for the permission. Okay, I think you all understood what is actually the expression. Now you have to show that you have understood by completing this dialogue. Okay, now you see the picture here, the persons are standing. You will get the dialogues here. You have to complete the remaining one. Hello, I am Lokesh. Hello, I am Lokesh. Can you tell me the dash? It is left there. You have to complete now. Will be given the options there. You have to choose and complete the dialogue. See, can you tell me the celebrate is there, way to the railway station is there, confused is there. Which will be the correct answer, children? Can you tell me the way to the railway station? Okay, the answer is way to the railway station. We will move on to next one, children. See here, you can see a group of people there. They are very happy, they are very joyful. Okay, we can see the dialogues there. Come on everybody, come on everybody, what we do? Let's dash. Okay, now see, let's worry, celebrate, cook. What will be the answer there? We can celebrate. Let's celebrate. So this you are completing the dialogue. Now we'll move on to another concept. I think you have understood with the language functions. So language functions always makes the language, the context very beautiful, meaningful, comprehensive. It adds beauty to that particular context. It needs expressions and moods. Okay, we'll move on to 2. What is this? 2. I am telling 2, but you can see there in different spellings, TWO2 and TO2. Why it is like that? Okay, we'll see now. Here is a bird TWO2 and another bird TO2. So what happened to them? We'll see what happened to them. Once there was a bird called TWO2 which sang varieties of melodious songs, and there was another jealous bird called TO2. Okay, this is the another bird and first one is the another one, TWO2 bird. And what happened to them? They always had a fight with each other. Like what they used to fight? Boasting of their talents. They used to boast of their talents. And finally they agreed for the singing competition of their melodious sounds. Okay, here the list of sounds birds made. Now you have to observe it carefully and you have to find out the difference. Okay children, now we'll come to the sounds. What is this picture? See, what is this picture? Can you tell the word picture here? Which is the word for this picture? This is eye. This is eye. Now what you have to do is you have to imagine or you have to recall any other sounds, any other word which starts with the same sound. Okay, can you imagine? This is what? This is an eye. This is eye. Now you have to recall the word which starts with the same sound but different in meaning and different in spelling. Okay, did you get any other word? Did you get the word? No. Yes. Okay, we shall see the word. Which is the word? I. Okay. Did you find the word? I. You use for both I and I. Okay, next we will move on to another picture. What does this picture shows? No. No, this picture shows no. And now, can you recall any other words which sounds the same? No. Can you recall? Okay, we'll see the word now. K-N-O-W, no. You pronounce it the same. It sounds the same. N-O, no. And K-N-O-W, no. It sounds the same. Next one, we'll move on to next one. Can you see the word here? See the picture here. What is that picture shows? Flower. Flower. Okay. Now you have to think and answer which will be the word for this picture. Okay. What is this picture now? Can you recall your mind the word which you use for this? Okay. This is also flower with F-L-O-U-R. Okay. That is F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, and this one is F-L-O-U-R, flower, because both the words sounds the same but different in meaning and different in what else? Spelling. Okay. Now we will move on to another concepts of this homophones. Why we called it both sounds the same, both sounds the same? See, we call them as homophones. Same sound, same sound. Why? Where it is making the difference? See, when you gone through I, what was the difference did you find? You found that the pronunciation which you did was the same, but the words which you used for that was different. E-Y-E, I and I. Okay, now you can see the difference. This is the sun picture. Okay, and this is my son. Okay, this is sun and sun. You find the difference with the picture? Sun and sun. And now you can see the sentence. My dash rises very early. You have to find the correct answer for this sentence. Which sun? This sun or this sun? We'll see for another sentence there. Again another sun is here. See there. Now other sentence. See, the dash rises in the east. You will get the correct answer when you understand with the spelling. Okay. We call them in a same sound. Sun, sun. But what is the spelling? What is the spelling for this both? Which will be the correct answer? See, we will check for the first answer now. The answer is sun. So, my son. So, the spelling now stands is the important role. Now, see, my son, S-O-N, son. My son. If you make a mistake here with S-U-N, the sentence will be wrong. So, you have to be aware of which son. Now, we will go for second sentence. So, this son is the answer. We will check the spelling now. See what is the spelling? S-U-N, sun. Okay, these words sounds the same but different in meaning and in spelling. Next, we will move on to choose the correct answer. There was dash near the market. You have two options there, sale and sale, but the spelling is different. You can see the spelling there. Okay, sale and sale. And next another one, do you dash on the water? Again you can find the same word, sail and sail. And now you can see I went to dash for the fishing, sea, and I wanted to dash you successful, see. Your problem starts with the spelling. So you have to understand and you should know the correct spelling, otherwise you will make a mistake. Okay. Now we will check for the answer. Did you take down? Okay, did you understand which one you are going to place in the blanks? Okay, now The first answer is there was a sale. S-A-L-E, sale. There was a sale near the market. And next one, do you S-A-I-L, do you sail on the water? Next one, I went to sea. S-E-A-C for fishing. And last one is I wanted to see. S-E-E, see you successful. Okay children. Now here I come to the end of this session. You have to write down Surya is going to dash his exams. So you have to choose the correct answer. Right is there. Kala dash the songs melodiously, and here is the dialogue piece. And we'll move on to next fourth question. Suman is dash the cricket in the ground. Next fifth one, I am reading the text dash. Next sixth one is the dialogue piece. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to sit at home, work out, and when you go back to your classes, see that you get corrected with your answers. Okay children, here we come to the end of this session, and I thank you all for listening to me. Thank you so much.
ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.